The point of productivity is not to do more, not exactly. The point of productivity is to get more done. So what's the difference? We all have the same amount of time, 7 days in a week, 24 hours in a day. We're all doing things in the time we have, whether they move us closer to our goals or further. Either way, we can't do more than 60 seconds of work in a minute. The point of productivity is to accomplish tasks. And let me add this. The point is to accomplish the right task. This distinguishes busyness from productivity. My friend likes to point out our mutual acquaintance who is always rushing around and never getting anything done. So, how do I manage to get things done without constantly feeling overwhelmed or burnout? Here are a few rules I live by. The key to productivity is not just doing tasks, but doing the right tasks. I start by listing all the tasks I need to accomplish and then categorize them based on importance and urgency. This helps me focus my energy on tasks that align with my goals and have the most significant impact. Big tasks can feel daunting. Breaking them down into smaller, manageable chunks makes them feel more achievable. Plus, it's easier to track progress this way. Multitasking is a productivity myth. I found that I'm most effective when I give my full attention to one task at a time. It might seem counterintuitive, but it actually saves time in the long run. It's important to know when to say no. I used to be a chronic people pleaser, saying yes to every request that come my way. But I've learned that it's okay to decline opportunities that don't align with my goals or values. Blocking out specific chunks of time for different tasks or activities help me stay focused and avoid distractions. Whether it's dedicating an hour to email management in the morning or scheduling a 2-hour block for deep work, time blocking ensures that I allocate my time wisely and make progress on my most important task. Rest is just as important as work. I make sure to schedule regular breaks throughout my day to recharge and prevent burnout. Taking breaks help me come back to my tasks feeling refreshed and refocused. Productivity is not a one-size-fits-all solution. What works for me might not work for someone else. That's why I make a point to regularly reflect on my productivity habits and iterate on them as needed. Whether it's experimenting with new techniques or adjusting my workflow, I'm always striving to find ways to optimize my productivity. At the end of the day, productivity is not about doing more. It's about doing what matters most. By following these rules, I've been able to accomplish more in less time and achieve my goals with greater efficiency and ease. And isn't that what productivity is all about? If you're interested in implementing these strategies and more, I've created a Notion weekly planner template that you can use to organize your tasks and maximize your efficiency. You can find the template link in the description below. I hope this video helped you and thank you so much for watching. Until the next one.